I'm sharing with you my top 10 tips and tricks to have a successful bathroom renovation. First thing is to work with a plan. Whether you make it yourself or you have it drawn by a designer or even by a contractor, it's important to see the possibilities on plan first to maximize the space, to get the best layout possible, and also to minimize the risks of making any mistakes. So start with a plan. The first item you should choose for your bathroom is the vanity. It's usually the biggest piece of furniture in the space, and it's often the item that will direct the style of the bathroom. So whether you have it done custom made or prefabricated, respect the style you're looking for. It could be modern, traditional, classic, rustic, whichever it may be, start with the vanity. It will make it a lot easier for you to pick the rest of the finishes for your bathroom. For the floors now, avoid picking glossy tiles. They are beautiful, but we know that they tend to be very slippery when wet. Especially if you have children or older people in the home, best to pick semi-gloss or matte finishes for your tiles. If your bathroom feels large and you feel like there's a lost space in the middle of the floor that might feel bland, you can create an optical illusion of a carpet by switching some tiles around. So pick a different tile in a mosaic style, such as a herringbone or an hexagon shape, that you'll insert in a specific area of the floor to enhance the movement and personality. It will bring some elegance and charm to your design, and it's a great concept for classic and traditional rooms. When picking your standalone tub, pick a shape that is in harmony with the sinks of your vanity. What I mean by this is that if your sink is oval or round, go for a rounded tub. But if your sink has a more square or rectangular shape, same applies, stick to a rectangular tub. The space will suddenly feel better put together. It's these little details that make a huge difference. If your budget is a little tight and you need to cut some cost but still want a separate bath and shower, go for a recessed tub. I know that standalone tubs are a huge trend at the moment, but you would be surprised on how fabulous an inserted tub can look. Here are a few inspirational pictures to show you. For the shower door, make sure it opens on the right side. So if your bathroom is small and tight, have the door open inside the shower. But if the shower space is too small, then it's best to have the door open from the outside. And if budget allows it, choose hinges that permit the doors to open on both sides. You can't go wrong there. So we have this tendency of wanting to insert a different tile inside the shower niche to make it more obvious or to give it some pizzazz. Let me remind you that a shower niche is to hold shampoo bottles and bars of soap, which are not the selected accessories for our decor, right? So keep that in mind when you need to pick the location of your niche. Maybe consider a secondary wall where it's not so obvious, and put the same tile everywhere. It's more slick and more discreet. Have your light fixtures installed on each side of your mirrors instead of on top or over your head. So having a light source on each side of your face will make you look 10 years younger. Ladies, listen to me on this one. You will love me for it, I guarantee you. I hope that my tips and tricks have been useful. Wishing you a happy, easy renovation.